This conference will now be recorded.
Perfect. Let us go ahead and see what did we learn in the last class. A quick recap. In the last class, we have seen that the cloud deployment model, there are 4 types of model available through which we can deploy a cloud. What are those? Number 1, called as private cloud. Whenever a cloud is meant solely for a single organization for their own use, we call them as private cloud. There are 2 types, there are 2 scenarios in it, right? Called as on-site private cloud and right outsourced private cloud. Whenever the private cloud is within the premises of the implemented company, which is implementing as well as using it or consuming it, we call them as on-site private cloud. Whenever the cloud infrastructure is hosted on a third-party vendor by a third-party vendor, we call them as outsourced private cloud, right? So it could be on-site or it could be outsourced. Similarly, we have seen community cloud. What is a community cloud? Whenever one or more organization comes together with the same interest, right? We call them as, right, community cloud. Community clouds are nothing but these are the extension of your private cloud only, right? Where 2 or more companies coming together, forming a common interest area and using a cloud. Example, government offices, banks, education institutions, police, or government departments, etc. Then we have seen, right, the next called as public cloud. Whenever a cloud is meant for general public, right, usage, we call them as public cloud, right? Example, your Facebook, your Twitter, your Gmail, your Google Drive, right? Here, it's a common infrastructure, common policies, right? No much control, right? Security is not that great. It is a common to everyone. And the last class that we learned was hybrid cloud. Whenever you are connecting one or more cloud together, we call them as hybrid cloud, also known as intercloud. This is a future, concept where multiple clouds will be talking to each other, and
Um,
users would be able to take benefit out
Sorry
of
to
it.
interrupt you, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, I have a doubt. Sir, Zoho CRM is there, no, sir? Sir, is that
Correct.
that comes under community cloud, sir?
Zoho CRM also comes under community cloud. Yes, all the
Because
CRM
you
comes under
told
all,
Salesforce comes under community cloud, no?
all the CRM comes under community cloud.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Whichever is on the cloud, they comes under community cloud.
Okay, sir.
Perfect. Right. Now, then yesterday I asked you to go to Google. I asked you to go ahead and type developer first. I asked you to go to the developer.salesforce.com. Then I asked you to go ahead and click on sign up, the green button on the right side top corner, where yesterday I showed you how to fill the form, right? And click sign up. I believe everyone did that. Yes, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Anybody
Yes,
has
sir.
any problem, questions?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, tell me.
So this is Ruxar here. Sir, I have already made that
That's okay.
account because
Fine,
of
you can use that.
so. Okay, thank you, sir.
Perfect. Anyone else had any issues?
Bro, once saving container.
Good morning.
Right? Anybody has any issues?
Good morning, sir. My name is Sampath Kumar.
Just tell me.
Sir, I have just started my classes from today onwards, and
That's
I
okay.
will, yeah.
Don't
Okay, sir.
worry.
I will
Your
sign. Yeah,
your
I
main
will
class
sign.
will start from today. That's good.
Yes, sir. Oh,
So
oh,
everybody
thank
has
you,
to
sir.
go ahead and open this. So need not to worry. Those who have just joined today, right?
Yes, sir.
You can go ahead and you can go to this link and sign up,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Go
I
ahead
have
and sign
heard
up.
your previous classes also, sir. one
That's good.
introduction class was but yesterday and
That's okay. That's okay. Thank you. Thank
yeah.
you. Thank you. Thank you. I
Okay,
got
sir.
it. Thank you. Right.
Okay, sir.
Next. Anybody has any other questions?
Bro, one say the company name, bro.
Sorry.
Company name.
Sir, can you please explain the login once again, sir? Which seat? So sorry, please.
No, that's okay. No problem. Why to so sorry? First thing that you have to go is that you have to go to Google. Everyone, those who are joining for the first time, those who have missed the class yesterday, right? Those who have not seen this piece, right? Start from now, right? Don't worry about yesterday's class. What happened is happened. Keep it aside. If you have a time, watch the video, or else just to pace up with the current class. I need to first make sure that I reach to the current class. You have to go to Google, type developer force, DEVELOPERFORCE. Remember that we are developers, we are admin, we are Salesforce consultant. We are the people who would be customizing, configuring, developing, and administering the Salesforce. We would be in the platform as service. Where is the platform? Here is that. Look for developer.salesforce.com. Look for developer.salesforce.com, not salesforce.com. Salesforce.com is a software as service. It gives you CRM. We are not here for a software service. We are here for platform as service. Where is that platform? The development platform is here. Go to this link. Click on the green button, sign up. Sirisha, please make sure that you come on time from tomorrow onwards. Sign up. Right? Sirisha, madam, can you hear me? Right? Now fill the form. Here we go, where you can fill your first name, your last name, your email address. In your role, give anything, whether developer, IT, administrator, anything you can give. I don't mind. Company, give your name, your girlfriend name. Naveen, please come on time. Right? Here you can give your girlfriend name, whatever you like. X technology, Y technology, there is no restriction. Country, whichever country you are in. If you are somewhere in a country which is not seen here, take the nearest country. Ideally, you should be able to see your country. But if you are in some island where you don't see your island name here, take the nearest island name. Right? Clear? Perfect. Next. Right? Postal code. Type anything. It doesn't have any restriction. 5000 ABCD. It takes everything. Username. Mostly your email address. However, it is not compulsory to have your email address. You can give anything @anything.com. It has to be like this. Anything @anything.com. Your name @your girlfriend name.com. No problem. You can. And then check this box, click on sign up. Wait for a couple of minutes. Check your email address. You will get a verification email, right? After you click on sign up, you will get a verification email. Right? This is the way you will get a verification email. Thank you for signing up with Salesforce. Verify your account. Click on verify your account. It'll ask you to enter the password, right? Which password? Any password which you can remember. It'll ask you for a hint question. Choose the hint question, give the answer, click sign up. You will be logged into the Salesforce platform. Perfect. This is what we did yesterday. Now, today, we will learn how to log in first. Login can be done from anywhere. Number one, you can log in from salesforce.com. I told you not to come here. Don't come here. Don't click on this start 30 days trial. No, this is software service. No, but for login, you can come here. I click on login. I click on login. Right? Enter your username. Rupam@of115.com. Password CRM1234#. Second time when you log in, it'll ask you to register your phone. I press enter. It'll ask me to register my phone. Right? I prefer not to register. If you want to register, you can register. This will be used for sending authentication code to your mobile phone, like something like an OTP. It will send it to your email address and phone. So I'll say, I don't want to register. Your wish. If you want to register, select the country, give a name, click continue. Finally, you all have to be in the screen. Finally, you all have to be in the screen. This is your final destination, as I told you yesterday. Right? Next, I click on my beautiful pic towards the right-hand side top corner, and I click on log out. You can also log in directly from a link called as login.salesforce.com. Second way of logging in. Directly with the URL, login.salesforce.com. On the top, you can type login.salesforce.com. Third way of logging in, which is quite tedious. Going to the developer force. If you're going to the developer force, if you remember, this is the place from where we signed up. Beside where the green button which we clicked and we signed up, if you remember. Beside that, there is a login button blue. If you sign in from here, then you have to sign in twice, 2 times. For example, I click on login. It'll ask me for a username and password. Rupam@of115.com. Password CRM1234#. I press enter. It'll ask me for access and deny. It'll ask me for a permission. I will say allow. But it will not take me to the platform. It will take me to a documentation screen. It will take me to a documentation repository. If you are logging from, right, login, rupam@of115.com. Password CRM1234#. In my screen, it is getting into a loop. CRM1234#. In my screen, it's getting into a loop. It will take you to the Salesforce documentation repository. Allow. In my screen, it's getting into a loop for my account. Right? It will take you to a documentation. On the documentation, right? Okay. See, in my screen, it's taking me to a loop. I told you, no? On the documentation, let me go back. It will be this screen where it will be taking you. It will not bring you to the Salesforce platform. In such case, click on your name where it shows Rupam @ and click on my developer account. It will again ask you for a login. And this time it will take you to the right place. Rupam@of115.com, password CRM1234#. 2 times you have to log in. Now it will take you to the platform. See? If you're logging in from developerforce.com, then you have to log in twice. One to the developerforce documentation repository. On the top, you have to click where you see your name, then click on my developer account, and then it will bring you to the developer account. These are the multiple ways of logging in. Everybody clear? Finally, you have to win this screen. Yes. Finally, you have to be on the screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? Now write down a little bit of writing work. Salesforce. What is a Salesforce? Start writing.
Sir,
SFDC. Yes, tell me.
sir, here once I created my account and I opened again, sir, today, but it's showing some other lighting something, sir, screen lighting experience. It's showing. I did not get home page.
If you are not getting this page, you are logging with an Internet Explorer. Those who are logging into the Internet Explorer, please do not
Sir.
log in via internet. You are in the classic window, right? Let me tell you. I wait.
Okay, sir.
I click on my beautiful pic. Towards the bottom, you will be able to see switch to classic. There is an option available called as switch to classic. Everybody can see switch to classic. I highlighted it, switch to classic. If I click on it, you might see the screen. Switch to lightning, right? It might show a screen like this. It might show a screen like this. It might show a screen like this, right? No thanks. On the top, you can say switch to lightning. This is the classic version of Salesforce. We'll talk about it. What is the classic version? What is the lightning version? Don't worry. If you are logging in, yes, tell me.
Yeah, I am logging through the loginforce.com. Login Salesforce, but it getting it moves to the production documentation.
Yep. Then again on the top, can you see your name?
Yeah, Rajesh Kumar is seeing.
Click on it and click on my developer account. Then it will log into your. I just walked you, right?
Here, login and sign up, they have 2 buttons.
Did you create the account?
Yeah, sir.
So log in now. Click on login. What you are waiting for?
Login. Yes, sir.
You want
Here,
to log
Rajesh
in or you
Kumar.
do?
I want to log in, sir.
So log in. No, click on login button. What? I mean, what's stopping you?
My settings.
On the top, if you are logging from developer console, sorry, if you're logging from developer.salesforce.com, you have to log in twice. First time when you log in, it will take you to the documentation screen where you have a lot of documentation repository. In such case, you have to click on your name on the top. You will have an option called as my developer account. Click on it. It will take you to the developer platform.
Rupam,
Yes.
for me, it directly
Very
took
good.
me to
Congratulations.
home place.
Thank you. That's it. That's what I want. Thank you. Finally,
But
you have to be in that destination.
yeah, as you said, it didn't ask me 2 times login for
Okay, that's
developer.
very good, madam. You are a specialized person. Finally, you are there or not? Finally, are you there on the screen that I was looking? That's it. Thank you.
Okay.
Right? That's it.
Sir, I tried to switch to the classic theme as you said, but my screen is different, sir.
That's okay, madam. Wait,
Okay.
we will talk about those screens, right? I'm
Okay.
not asking you to switch. People who are using Internet Explorer will be logged into this screen. Don't use Internet Explorer or, right, any other unknown browser. Safari, Opera, I don't know, so many are there. Use Chrome or
I'm using
Firefox,
Chrome only, sir.
right? If you're using Chrome, then you should be in the Lightning screen. You should be in this screen. If you're in any screen, don't worry. If you're not in the setup, don't worry. Are you able to see your beautiful pic towards the right hand side corner? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That's enough. Whichever screen you are in.
Okay.
If you
So
are
if you
able
are
to see
switching
this
to,
icon,
sir, if you are switching to Lightning experience, then we can see that.
correct. Switch to Lightning then.
Okay.
Everyone. Right? Perfect.
Thank you, sir.
Clear? Perfect. Now, a little bit of writing work, if you don't mind. Start writing little bit. Then we'll be on, I told you, 5% theory, 95% practical from today.
Sir, we can't log in mobile, sir.
Yes, you can. Why not?
Sir, but we are logging in mobile. This home page we are not getting, sir.
What you're getting?
We are getting another screen, that is
What screen? Can you read the components in the screen?
the space charter today dashboards.
Correct. Akkada fine. Last la idi icon kanpadtunda. Are you able to see this icon? Scroll to the last.
Yes, sir.
Son, you're in the right screen. Let it be anything in the bottom. I don't mind. Ikkada kinda emana gaani.
Okay.
You might be on the marketing screen. You might be on the right. Let's say that. Let me go ahead and shift to one of the screen. You could be on this screen. Wait. Home, chatter, campaign, lead, contact, opportunity, report, dashboard.
Yeah. Yeah, sir.
Right? You
Yes,
could
sir.
be
We
on
are
this.
on the screen only.
Perfect. You could be on
In menu.
any. Wait, guys, please. Thank you.
Yes, sir. In menu we have all see this.
Right. You could be on
Yeah.
any screen. You could be on sales, home, lead, long. My simple question, towards the right hand side, are you able to see a beautiful icon? If you are able to see this beautiful icon, round icon, your beautiful pic, if you are able to see like a teddy bear, then you are in a right screen. That's it. Bottom, let it be anything. Let it be Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan here in the bottom. I don't care. Right? Perfect. You're in the right screen. That's it. I told you guys, right? I mean, these are all you try to click here and there, and you clicked here, and now you're telling me that I'm asking where undi. Laser and click J. Somebody will say, no, I didn't click. You clicked it. Otherwise, it will never come here. Unless until you manually have come here, it would have never come here. I told you, yesterday only I told you, don't go to chapter number 9. Don't explore the things out. Yesterday only I told you. As soon as you get a book, you will immediately open the book and you'll go to chapter number 4. I am showing you the cover and you're telling me, Rupam, I am able to see chapter 4. I don't see the book cover. This is what is happening in the class now. That is the reason I know that this will happen. Anduke ninna annanu. Guys, don't click anywhere. One day have patience. ఒక్క రోజు పేషెన్స్ ఉండండి అని. నాకు ఇలా స్క్రీన్ కనపడుతుంది. ఎలా కనపడుతుంది? ఎందుకంటే నువ్వు చాప్టర్ 4కి వచ్చావు. Because you came to chapter 4, that's the reason it's showing like this. If you have not opened the book, you would have been in that screen itself. Which screen? This screen. 100% everybody after login, it will be on the book title screen only. It never goes to that screen unless you open the book and go to chapter number 4. So please listen to your trainers, because these not listening to the trainers will cause 5-10 minutes here and there. Waste of time. Right. Start writing. Salesforce.com bracket SFDC bracket SFDC. Salesforce.com is an enterprise cloud computing company. Salesforce.com is an enterprise cloud computing company well known for its CRM application. Well known for its CRM application. There is nothing on the screen. I'm dictating the definition. Salesforce.com is an enterprise cloud computing company well known for its CRM application. Well known for its CRM application, along with development platform, to build enterprise cloud application, along with development platform to build enterprise cloud application. Enterprise cloud application. Next line. Year of foundation, March 1999. Next line. Year of foundation. Year of foundation, March 1999. Next line. Headquarter. San Francisco, United States. Headquarter, San Francisco, United States. CEO, current CEO, Mark Benioff. M-A-R-C, Mark, B-E-N-I-O-F-F, Mark Benioff. He is the current CEO of this company. Who is the CEO of Facebook? Similarly, he is the CEO of this company as of today, Mark Benioff.
Sir, can you repeat the spelling once?
M-A-R-C, M-A-R-C, B-E-N-I-O-F-F, Mark Benioff. Next, founder. Who are the founders of the company? Number one, Mark Benioff. Number one, Mark Benioff. Number two, Parker Harris. P-A-R-K-E-R, Parker, H-A-R-R-I-S. Second person, Parker Harris. Third person, Dave Melanoff. D-A-V-E, Dave. Third person, D-A-V-E, Dave. M-O-E-M-O-E-L-L-E-N. M-O-E-L-L-E-N-H-O-F-F. Dave Melanoff. Third person. Fourth person, Frank Dominies. F-R-A-N-K, Frank. F-R-A-N-K, Frank. Dominies. D-O-M. D-O-M-I-N. D-O-M-I-N-G-U-E-Z. D-O-M-I-N-G-U-E-Z or Z. Four people founded this company: Mark Benioff, Parker Harris, Dave Melanoff, Frank Dominies. In which year? March 1999. Where is this headquarter located? San Francisco, United States. What is Salesforce? It's a company name. What does this company does? It built or it delivered, right, CRM application. Not only CRM application, a cloud platform to build enterprise cloud applications. It provides you a platform where you can develop an enterprise cloud application. Clear, everyone? What is Salesforce? Where is the company headquarters located? When the company was founded? Who founded the company? Who is the current CEO? Mark Benioff is the current CEO of the company.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, tell me.
So please explain the definition.
Okay. May I know the reason why?
I don't get it, the definition.
I mean, is it that I've used a different dictionary word of English?
No, sir.
Then are you not
I don't
focusing on the
get it.
class? What you
Yes, I'm
don't get it?
focusing.
Then please, right? Do focus. Once again, Salesforce.com is an enterprise cloud computing company well known for its CRM product, with cloud development platform for developing enterprise cloud application. Crystal clear, simple. Salesforce.com is an enterprise cloud computing company well known for its CRM product. Along with that, it's also offering you a development platform where you can build enterprise cloud application. Now write the definition by your own, no issues. I gave you the main points. Perfect. Now let's come to the practical part. Okay. Now let's understand a couple of things before we proceed. Everybody has to be clear with this concept before I proceed further. First thing, what have we done yesterday? If you remember yesterday, I went ahead and created an organization, right? I created a Salesforce account. Whenever I say that I created a Salesforce account, what does this mean? I created an account for Capital Info Solution. Inside that, there is one user, Rupam @of115.com. One user. There is only one user in the system. Similarly, I asked you to go ahead and repeat the same exercise what I asked you. Let's assume that, right, Tarun, right, did the same exercise. I'm taking one of the students from the class, Tarun. Tarun opened something called Tarun Technology. And he created a username called Tarun @gmail.com. Some username he created. Similarly, one more person called Madan. He also created the same thing, MADN, Madan. He has said Madan Infotech, INFOTECH. He created a company called as Madan Infotech while filling the form. He has given Madan Infotech. While filling the form, he has created a user called as Madan Madan 121 or 123 @gmail.com. Let's assume. Like this, there are 100 students in the class. All the 100 created, right, this blue boxes. This one box is an implementation. Remember this very well. This one box, right, this one box border is secured. One box border is secured. That means each one of these border boxes are completely secure. That means nothing will go out. You would not be able to communicate with me. You will not be able to communicate with me. Don't think that whatever you do, I will be able to see. Whatever I do, you will be able to see. No. There is no communication between these orgs. There is no communication between these orgs. No communication. Their boundaries are secure. Anything happens here, we will be creating multiple users here. We will create SACHN Sachin@of115.com. We will create Dhoni @of115.com. These will be the users of this company. These will be the users of this company. Then whatever Rupam does, Sachin can see. Whatever Sachin does, Dhoni can see. Whatever Dhoni does, Sachin can see, Rupam can see. Within the red box only the data will be shared, not outside the red box. These are individual organization. Similarly, it lies here also. There is no communication between your org and my org. Your org is different, my org is different. Everybody is able to understand the concept. It's not like a Facebook account. It's not like a Twitter account that you will post something and I will comment on it. I will post something, you will hit like button and comment on it. No. Absolutely no communication. If you want to have a communication, then you need to have a concept of integration. Yes, Salesforce to Salesforce integration has to be done. Then only, right, Tarun technology data can be shared with Capital Info. You have to do an integration. Without integration, this data or sharing of information will not happen. So whatever I will do on the class, don't think that you'd be able to see in your screen. Everybody is able to understand, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Currently, these all borders are secure borders. Right? Anything happens will happen within this border only. All borders are secure. Data will not go out. Perfect. Anybody has any questions before I move to the next one?
Sir, one
Next.
question.
Yes, tell me.
So in this, you are saying all the students belongs to the same Salesforce account, but in order to communicate each other, they should be integrated. Is that right?
All the single account you created, these are not account creation. These are called deployment. Everybody has deployed Salesforce for a company. You have created one company, not one account. You have created one company now. In that company, you will add employees, right? One company will not talk to other company. If you want to, they want to talk, then you have to perform integration.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Now,
Okay.
perfect.
Clear.
That's good. Now, let's assume this. This is HCL, right? Let's write HCL, an IT company. You are here. This is you. You. Definitely, after learning this course, you would like to join this company HCL. Let's assume that you get an offer letter. Let's assume best that you got an offer letter. Right? Whenever I use a word called as developer, whenever I use a word called as admin, whenever I use a word called as consultant, Whenever I use a word called as analyst, I am talking about you. I am referring to you. You are a developer. You are an admin. You are a consultant. You are an analyst. You got a job in HCL Technologies, right? After getting a job in HCL Technology, you were assigned to a project. You were assigned to a project. And here the company name is Apollo. Apollo wants a software. You are assigned to this project, Apollo project. You are assigned to this Apollo project, right? The project name is HOSPITL Hospital MGT Management 2.0. Your project name is Hospital Management 2.0, right? That's your project name, let's assume. Now, you will be building a software for an Apollo hospital. Finally, who will be using it? Who will be using it?
Hospital staff. Hospital staff, nurse, receptionist,
Who will be using it finally? It will
Apollo
be
employees.
finally used by Apollo employees like doctor, nurse, receptionist. It will be used by doctors. Every patient information, anything to update, doctor will update in the screen, right? Finally, whatever the software that you are building in Apollo, who gave the requirement? Apollo Hospital gave the requirement, and you are sitting in the HCL office developing a software for Apollo. After the development is done, you will hand over the software to Apollo Hospital. After you hand over the software to Apollo Hospital, it is their nurse receptionist who will be using it. Whenever I'm using a word called as end user, end user, I am referring to Apollo employees, not to you. You are not an end user. You are not an end user. You are not an user. I'm highlighting those words. Whenever I say, guys, this is a user work, if this is an end user work, that means work of the doctors, nurses, not you are not an end user. You are a developer, right? You are an admin. You are a consultant, right? Now, whatever the software that you develop, this is the software that you develop. Tell me what information will be maintained here? Whose information will be maintained in this software?
Patient's data.
Perfect. So in this, finally, nurse, receptionist, and everybody will enter patient data. In this, all the patient information will be stored in this software, in the Hospital Management 2.0. You know, what are the medicine he is buying, what are the operations has happened, what are the diagnostic reports, blood tests, CT scan, everything will be there in that, inside this. Who has built it? You have built it. And that is what I'll be teaching you, and you'll be learning. Now, whenever I say customer, whenever I use a word called as customer, I am referring, customer is not Apollo Hospital. Apollo Hospital will be referred as a client. Whenever I say client, it is Apollo Hospital. Hey, your client, because you're working on their project. So he's your client. Whenever I use the word called customer, I am referring to the patient. Yes or no, everybody is able to understand.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone? Because people who are new to the IT world, That's the reason I'm differentiating these words. Who is a end user? Who is a client? Who is an admin? Who is a developer? So you are here, guys. Remember that this is you. You are not a customer, neither you are an end user. You are a developer, right? In Salesforce, customers are divided into two categories. Now here we go. Start writing. Customer master. Customer master. Write down customer master. Master table to hold. Master table to hold. Master table to hold transactional data of a customer. Master table to hold. Master table to hold transactional data of a customer is called customer master. Is called customer master.
Can you repeat, sir? Once again?
Master table to hold. Master table to hold customer transactional data is called customer master. Customer master is divided in, there are two types of customer master. One is account, write down next type. One is contact. One is account, one is contact. So customers are of two types. Mute, 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 mute. Customer are of two types, accounts and contacts. Right? Write down types of customer, accounts and contacts. What is a customer master? A master table that contains all the customer transactional information. Transactional means day-to-day information. In those table, we call them as customer master. Customer master has two types, accounts and contact. Customers are of two types, accounts and contacts. Customer are of two types, accounts and contacts. Put a heading called as account. Write down any group, comma company, any group, comma company, comma organization, any group, comma company, comma organization, comma society is called account. Is called account. Any group, organization, society, company is called account. Also known as company account. Also known as company account. Right? Example, HDFC Bank. Example, Government of India. Example, any company that you see. Anything, any company name you can put there. Any team, Rajasthan Royals, Deccan Challengers, Kolkata Knight Riders, right? Any society, Sai Anurag Colony Welfare Association. If you're living in an apartment, you have an association, right? You can put that name. Any group, company, organization is called account. Now come to the Salesforce. Look now, practical. Click on App Launcher, the 9 blue orange dot on your left side of the screen. App Launcher, click on it. Go to any app, click on Service, click on Marketing, or click on View All. I will recommend you to click on View All. click on sales. Your Sales Cloud loads. You will be able to see accounts and contacts. See here, accounts. What is an account? Any group, any organization, any company is called account. Click on account. Click on this new button. Towards the right side, you'll be able to see a button called as new. Click on the new button. A form comes in. Here we will do the data entry. Here the end user does the data entry. What is that? GOVT, Government of India. Government of India is an account, right? Account number 111. Account site New Delhi. Type of account, customer direct. You have so many types. He's a technology partner, he's an installation partner, he's a channel customer. No, he's a direct customer. Industry, back industry, government. I look for government. It's a government. Next, annual revenue. Do you know? We don't know. You can leave it blank. You can leave it blank. Next, rating. Mute, mute, mute. Brothers and sisters, please mute. Keep observing your mic, because finally it is you who have to hear this recording, not me. And I want you to have a crystal clear recordings. Right? Rating. Hot.
Sir, just to confirm.
No confirmation now, please wait. No doubts. When time comes, I'll give you to ask it out. Thank you.
Okay, so I'm confused because we have to do it in the same.
Sir, please. First, see. First part you are confused, I know. At least see the second part. I know that first part you are confused. How to go, where to click and everything. I know this. I'm not teaching for the first time. Don't worry. You are the 115th unofficial batch. Plus, I have 1800 official hours of training, which I have been providing to Capgemini, Sierra Atlantic, right, HCL. I know the trainee mentality, what is happening at your end. Relax, cool. Because you're not able to understand the first piece, don't spoil the second piece. Keep it aside. At least follow the second piece. Hot, warm, cold. Hot stand for where you can sell a product immediately. Warm means you have to convince him. I have to convince Government of India to buy a product from me. Cold means Government of India came to me and asked, hey Roop, hey Capital Info, are you providing SFDC training? Yes. Hey, we want a training. Hey, definitely. And I go ahead and register this Government of India in my system. And later, Government of India vanished. Cold customer. What is the phone number? 011 1234567890. Something you put. Fax number 22222222. Website www.india.gov.in. Ticker symbol. What is a ticker symbol? It is any type of abbreviation that you want to use in your day-to-day, conversation. Hey, that government rate GVT. For government, I will put GVT. For private companies, I will say PVT. For school, I will say SCHL. I'll just classify this something. Ownership, it's a public. Number of employees, do you really know? I don't know, leave it blank. SIC code, very famous in US, not in India. Very famous in US. Those who are in the US, they will be very well known what is a SIC code. Every company, every organization in US is given a code. If you are a rubber manufacturing company, you will be given a code called as 2001. If you are a school business, if you're in a schooling business, then you'll be given a code called as 3004. If you have a movie theater, Inox, PVR, you will be given a code called as 4005. Depending on the nature of the business, you will be given a code, which is very famous in US, not in India. So you can write something or you can leave it. Next, address information. 1 SAN SAD Sansad MARGH Marg, 1 Sansad Marg, City, New Delhi. Billing state, New Delhi. Billing country, INDIA. Billing postal code 100001. Customer priority, high. Did you enter any type of SLA with this customer? Any gold service level agreement, silver level agreement, platinum? I will say it's a platinum. What is the serial number of that agreement? 1, 2, 3, 4. When does this agreement expire? It expires in the year of 2022. Next year, 29th SL expires. What are the number of locations? They have about 8,000 government locations are there. Government offices. Can you sell anything immediately? Yes. Maybe. Is it this account is active? Yes. Description. This is GOVT, Government of India. I fill the data. I clicked on save. Right? Number of location. Where is that? See, review, number of location, number of locations. Right? Here it is. Right? Number of location. There's a problem. Number of location is out of the range. So there is some validation rule there. Okay, let's say 12 or 1. We'll talk about it. Everything in details. Don't worry. I click on save. In my database, a new customer has been created. What type of customer it is? It is called as account. Why it is called as account? Because it is a company, because it is a group, because it is a institution, because it is a team. All the data that I filled will be available in details. Everything that I filled. Can I change it? Yes, you can change it. Once again, whichever screen you are in, click on this 9 square box, orange box towards the left hand side below the Salesforce logo. Click on it. Click on view all. This window will come. Select sales. You will be able to see sales module loaded. It's loading. Here it says sales. Click on account. Click on new. New button is towards the right side. New. Account name. ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank want to have a cloud computing classes for their employee. Hello. Hey, hi, is it Kaplan Info? Yes. Hey, you're providing Salesforce training? Yes, we do. Right. Hey, I'm calling from ICICI Bank, right? And we are looking for a training. Hey, that's good. I will immediately capture ICICI Bank here. Can I have the bank phone number? Yeah, I can give you the reception phone number. 040, no, 022. Please note down 022. Yes, 022. Right? 66778899. Oh, thank you. Hey, can I have the fax number? Yeah, I can give you my reception fax number 022 55555. Website www.icicibankbank.com. BNK, right? Ownership, private. Number of employees, I don't know, right? Account site, Mumbai. Hey, I'm calling from Mumbai headquarter. Oh, that's really good, Mumbai. What type of industry? Banking. Whichever data you know. See, the only compulsory data is the name, where you can see a red star. red star means compulsory. Without this, you cannot save the data. Other than this, none of the field has a red star. That means you can leave them blank. It's not compulsory to fill this. Hey, billing city, Mumbai, MUM, oh, billing city, no, Mumbai, MUMBI, Mumbai. Billing state, Maharashtra. Billing country, INDIA. Zip code, I don't know, forget it. Click on save. One more account got created in your system. There are 2 customers in your system. There are 2 customers, Government of India, ICICI Bank. Both are what type of customer? They are accounts. They are accounts. Right? Once again, click on App Manager. This is called App Manager. Click on App Manager. Click on View All. Click on Sales. I don't mind you click on Marketing. No problem. Click on Marketing. There also you'll be able to see. Okay, there you don't see account. There you're able to see only contact. Click on App Manager. Click on Service. No problem. There you'll be able to see accounts and contacts. See, accounts. I'm in service, not in sales now. You see, I'm in service. I see account. Again, the same. Whether you are in sales, whether you are in service, whether you are in marketing cloud, sales cloud, service cloud, customers are common. Rupam, if I create a customer from service, don't worry, it will be visible in sales. Right? For now, click on App Manager, click on View All, click on Sales, right? Click on Accounts, click on New, fill the data. Account name. What is that? I will say Sai, ANUR, Anurag, CULON, Colony, WLFARE, Welfare, SSOCIATION. Sai Anurag Colony Welfare Association, also known as SACWA. Only name is compulsory. None of the data is compulsory. I hit the save button. Done. Total, how many customers are there in my system? 3. Now tell me, everyone clear? Till here, everyone good?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
People who are using
Yes, sir.
Airtel 498, 598 package, 2 GB a day, I will strongly recommend to please have it. See, otherwise, see, Amir Ansari, internet connection, can you hear? It's coming like a robotic. See, feel the robot.
Excuse me.
Yes, tell me. Yes, somebody was saying something.
Hello.
Yep.
Yes, sir. I have one doubt. So this information is filled by developer or the end user?
No, by the end user. This is not a developer work. To fill the data entry work is done by the end user. Your work is to build this page. In this page, tomorrow they want PAN card. Apollo Hospital wants a field called as PAN number where every company has to give their PAN. Every
GST
company
number.
has to give their right GST number. Then it is your work to create that and put it in this page. That is your work. Your work is not to fill the data. Whatever I'm showing you at this moment is an end user work. Clear? We are trying to see what is Sales Cloud, how it's working, and based on that, we will start doing the development. We are trying to measure the work, how much work we have to do. Is it that I have to create from the scratch? No. I don't need to create from the scratch, zero. Already the form is half built. Already these choices are there. You need to add or remove these fields from your page. Client says, I don't want account site. Remove it. Instead of this, I want GSTN. I want it to be mandatory. How to do that is your work. Clear? Perfect. Now, second type. Write down contact, 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 contact. Any individual customer is called contact. Any individual customer is called contact. Full stop. Any person is called contact. Another definition. Any person is called contact. Also known as person account. Company account, person account. Also known as person account. Now, let's come to Salesforce. Where is the contact? Just beside the account. Click on New. Mr. Narendra Modi. Mr. Narendra, last name Modi. Do you want to connect this to a company? Yes. Few seconds back, I created Government of India. I am connecting Narendra Modi to the Government of India. Is it compulsory that every account I create has to be connected to the Government of India? No, because there is no star mark. Star mark is in the last name only. Title, PM, Prime Minister. Department, PMO, Prime Minister Office. Date of birth, do you know? Okay, let's take some random date of birth. Let's assume that he was born in 1953, right?
50 August.
That's okay. Thank you. Reports to. Whom he reports to? He reports to President of India, Ramnath Kovind. But currently Kovind is not there, so leave it. Lead source. How did he came to know about my company? Web, phone inquiry, partner referral. Here you have to update more. TV ad, banner, posters, paper ad. If your client asks you to add more, then it is your work to add more. Currently web. What is the phone number? 111111. What is the home phone number? 2222222. What is the mobile number? 988888. What is the other phone number? 987777. What is the fax number? 66666. What is the email address? narendra@modi.com. What is assistant name? Ajit Doval. What is his phone number? 554455. What is the address? 31 Race Course. 31 Race Course, New Delhi. State NDLS. Zip code 110001. Oh. Country India. Any other address? Yes. Yes. What is that? Right? H, house number 1-2-31. 31/4, Damodar Colony. Damodar Colony, Ahmedabad. State Gujarat. Country India. Zip code 600021. Language Hindi. Level primary, not secondary. Whenever you're talking to Modi, he preferred to talk in Hindi. Description. He This customer is the Prime Minister of India. I hit the save button. Total, how many customers are there in my system? 3. Total, how many customers are there in my system? 3. 1 contact, 2 accounts. Oh, 4. 3 accounts plus 1 contact. Any individual person you will register in contact. Any group or company you will register here. It is not compulsory to connect contact to account. No. I click on new. I will say Mr. Right? Shah Rukh Khan. Any company? No company. Title, right? King of Bollywood. People call him. Department, really? I don't know. Date of birth, I don't know. Reports to whom? He reports to no one. He is himself is a king. How did he came to know? By referral. Somebody referred my institute name. Phone number, fill the data. Home phone number, fill the data. Mobile number, fill the data. Right? Fax number, fill the data. I'm randomly entering something. Email, shahrukh@khan.com. City, Mumbai. State, Maharashtra. MAHARASTHRA, Maharashtra. Right? Country, INDI, India the Great. Country, India the Great. Save. Click on details. You'll be able to see all the details that you entered. Everybody is able to understand? Yes or no?
Yes, bro.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Anybody has any questions in accounts and contacts?
Yes.
Looks good.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, as a developer, you are not entering all these details, right?
Correct. This is not our work. This is a data entry work. Data entry work belongs to end user. Right?
Here, who is the
So
end user, sir, here?
didn't I
Here,
explain this
who-
with a diagram?
yes, sir, I understand. But here,
We implemented it
particularly
for
who?
which? We implemented this for which company yesterday? What is the which company we created this Salesforce?
For Apollo Hospitals, and yeah, it would be having its own IT department, and like receptionist or whatever it might be. These guys will be entering the data.
How does it make that which end customer? If it's a Capital Info solution, if this company yesterday I created for Capital Info solution, then it's the Capital Info receptionist who will be doing it. If this is for Apollo Hospital, then Apollo Hospital employee will be doing it. If it's for a Taj Business Hotel, then the receptionist of the Taj. If it's for SpiceJet Airlines, then it is the customer service representative of the will be doing it. How does it make a difference that who is which type of end customer? Why I need to further classify the end customer? It is a why should I further classify the end user? It is a work of end user. That's it. Whichever company you are implementing it, that implementation, whichever company you're implementing it, that company end user will fill this form. Clear, Madhurima? Right? I don't need to classify my end user, whether it's a nurse, whether it's a receptionist, whether it's a trainer, whether it's a doctor. No. Simple words. Right? End user. That's it. Anybody has any other questions?
Suppose, sir, in accounts we can create Apollo Hospitals this application.
Yes.
So these all the accounts and customer related contacts will be filled by these nurse receptionist, all the employees of Apollo.
Correct.
We as a developer part, we use only for the we need to maintain the fields.
We need to not only there are so many things, 1001 things to maintain. One of the thing is to maintain the field. As soon as you hit save, immediately an SMS has to go.
Okay.
That you have to develop. An email has to go, right? This person has to be assigned to a new department so that somebody should call this customer. You should automatically, system should create a meeting with the customer. Appointment has to be created automatically. So many things are there.
The data they are going to fill will see as
data filling work is done by the end user. Remember this.
Yes,
That's
sir.
it.
Yes, sir. End user. This end user data we can see as
in real time you cannot see because that end user data will be in the production.
Okay, sir.
End user data will be in the production and you will not have an access to production.
Okay.
Yes.
One
Question.
question. So the contacts have to be related to the accounts. Like
No. Is it Shah Rukh Khan related to the account?
No, but in real. Okay.
Is Shah Rukh Khan related to the account? No.
Yeah.
And I did that, right?
Yeah. Right.
Next.
So now every patient details will be going to filled in the contacts only, sir.
Correct. Every patient details will be going to contacts. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Rupam, the developer account what we have created, I mean, is there any restrictions? I mean, as we had created one over here.
Now, let's not get into the restrictions at this moment. First, create accounts and contacts. Let's not jump to the chapter number 2. When it comes, I will tell you. Focus here. How to create an account, how to create a contact.
Yeah.
Right? Any other questions? No futuristic questions, please. Always ask the question related to the class. The reason behind this is that the futuristic questions might confuse the others. You might have worked on Salesforce. You might have a little bit fair knowledge on Salesforce, but others not. In my class, I have a class mix of people who are 0 in Salesforce, people who are in 10 in Salesforce, people who are in 20 in Salesforce. It's my humble request to people who are in 10, 20, not to ask any futuristic question as of now. Have the trust and faith. Your trainer will cover everything and anything. Beyond your imagination, I will be covering the syllabus. You need not to ask me anything. Ask the doubt from the current subject so that it will be helpful for others also. Suddenly somebody asks me, hey Rupam, what is the governing limit of it? Immediately the remaining 99 will be scratching their head. Governing limit. Idi entidi sir cheppaledu kada. Sir didn't told no governing limit. So please do not jump in future chapters. Ask a question from an existing chapter. When the topic comes, I will explain you. I will give you all the governing limits of complete Salesforce. I'll give you the documentation. Right? Thank you. Question? Anyone?
Question here. So
yes.
The accounts doesn't have a contact. Generally, there is you have created accounts and contacts, right? But accounts will also have a contact, right?
Accounts will have a contact. Yes. Go to the account. Go to the account. Open Government of India. You'll be able to see contact called Narendra Modi. Account has a contact because you linked it.
Okay,
see,
got
Narendra
it.
Modi. Got it?
Got it. Okay.
Perfect. Any other questions? Anyone? Amir, your mic is not good, Amir. Your mic is robotic. Right? Please, if you want to...
Now can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay, so if we are not relating the contact to the account, so will there any problem?
No, there's no problem. Every contact cannot be related to the account, right? For example, somebody walking in, so there's no problem, and that is the reason it is not compulsory. See, Shah Rukh Khan is not linked to anyone.
That's
I
right.
kept it
Yeah.
empty. Perfect. Next.
Thank you.
Welcome. Any other questions? Anyone?
Excuse me, sir.
So,
Yes. Tell.
Yes, sir. Sir, here, as you said, the end user may be Apollo Hospitals or Government of India, maybe, sir. But how
No,
will
account
they know the
is
Salesforce?
see, 1 minute. Can you repeat the line? I'm a person who will be catching you while you speak. Yes, go ahead. Once again, start.
Here, sir, account details entered by end user, right, sir? Account
Correct.
details and contacts.
Account
But
details will be
here,
entered by end user.
how they know how to enter the details in Salesforce? The end user
That is
doesn't.
the training, right? That is called end user training. Whenever there's a project goes on, right, the end user will be completely trained on this. There'll be training rolled out batch by batch that this is the new software that we are coming up, right? So they'll be trained.
Yeah.
It's not that suddenly one morning they will say, hey, log in. Obviously, come on.
Okay. Okay.
Next, anyone? Any other questions?
Sir, one more question, sir. So let's say
Mhm.
Apollo end user is trying to fill a contact details, right?
Correct.
So their contact will be just Apollo, and they will only be able to see just one contact, that is Apollo, right?
What is that question?
I mean,
I didn't got it. I didn't
so
understand.
they will only be having access to that single company. I mean, the single contact, right?
Obviously, they're Apollo employee. How do you think that they will have an access to an let's say that right, Yashoda Hospital? Come on. This is for
Okay,
Apollo.
they will be able to see just one contact. Okay.
If whatever I created, you will not be able to see it in your
Okay,
contact.
just
It will not show.
one account. Okay.
If I created Shah Rukh Khan, do you think it will be appearing when you log in with your company? Will it log in? Will it show Shah Rukh Khan, Narendra Modi there? No. Because I told you these all are red bordered. Anything that happens now, I am creating account, ACCOUNT account. Inside this, I created Government of India, Government of GOVT of India, INDIA, right? Government of India. This is one account, bold, right? There's only one user, bold. Currently, there is only one user. We will create later the users, right? Next, I created contact, CONTACT contact. Inside that, I created Narendra Modi. Everything is happening within this company. No other company would be able to see.
So, sir, yeah, sir, this is
Tell me.
Sampath. Yeah, if we created account before the contact, no, sir.
That's okay. No problem.
Yeah,
I created an
in the
account.
contact section,
Wait,
in the contact
I got
section, we added Narendra Modi as a account under account name, Government of India.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Don't waste time.
Then Government of India account, they can only able to see about the Narendra Modi.
Correct. Because you
So
link
they
Narendra Modi
can't know about the Shah Rukh Khan. He is another account.
correct.
Yes.
He's another contact, not account. Yes.
Yes, another contact. So
Uh-huh.
okay. So initially we have to create the account and we link that account to the contacts.
Yes, if they are linked, link it. If not, don't link it.
Okay, sir.
It's not always that first you have to create an account, then contact. No. I created Shah Rukh
Initially,
Khan. Now you can open Shah Rukh Khan and you can link it. Click on details. Come to the
yes,
account
sir.
name. Click on edit. Link it to what? Link it to Government of India. Click save.
Okay, sir.
It's not that only at the time of creating only you have to do. You can do it later also.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Next.
Perfect.
One more question. Last.
So when we are entering the patient details, so the receptionist is going to ask the which area you are coming from. Are you coming from any
Yes, obviously.
doctor
Otherwise,
referral?
she is not a god. She is not a god that she will know everything. Obviously,
Yeah.
the patient has to fill the form by looking at the form, right? She has to fill this here,
Okay.
right?
In
Or
this
she has to ask the patient.
Okay.
Right? Obviously.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Write down homework. Write down the homeworks. Your homework starts from today. Create 10 account, 10 contacts. Create 10 accounts, 10 contacts. First homework. Create 10 account, 10 contacts. Link 7 randomly. Create 10 account, 10 contacts. Link 7 randomly. Your wish. All the 7 you want to link to one account, or 2 to one account, another 3 to another account, another 1 to another account. Your wish. Create 10 account, 10 contacts. Link 7 randomly. Right? No question on this. Sir, ఏది ఎక్కడ లింక్ చేయాలి? నీ ఇష్టం. Which one to link where? Your wish. Next, question 2.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, if we created 10 contacts, no, sir, if we can we link this 10 contacts? You said that 7 randomly, no, sir.
Correct.
Can I if one account we can add any contact? If one contact is added to one account, then it is able to.
Yes. Right, Mr. Rajnath Singh, R-A-J-N-A-T-H, N-A-T-H, Rajnath Singh, S-I-N-G-H. Again, I'm connecting to Government of India, SAFE. Next, I'm in contact. New, I'm saying Mrs. Smriti Irani, Mrs. Union Cabinet Minister, S. Smriti, S-M-I-T-H, I don't know spelling, Smriti Irani, I-R-A-N-I. Again, I'm linking to Government of India. SAFE. How many people are linked to Government of India now? 3. Narendra Modi, Rajnath Singh, right, Smriti Irani. I go to the account, I click on Government of India, I'll be able to see all the 3 here. Right? Keep writing. First homework. Create 10 accounts, 10 contacts, link 7 randomly. Your wish. Second homework. Right? Upload attachment. Upload attachment. You went and met, let's assume that you went and met Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi gave you Aadhaar card, scan copy. Narendra Modi gave you a video, right? Narendra Modi gave you a video of all the work done by him during the COVID. Narendra Modi gave you a voucher. Where will you upload? You will upload here. Notes and attachment. All Narendra Modi's document you will upload here. Upload. I'm showing you. Upload. A PowerPoint presentation he gave. I say PPTX. I say open. It's uploading. Done. This is how you upload. Upload few attachments. Second homework. Upload attachments.
Rupam, can you please do one more time? Attachment.
Yeah,
How
sure.
to upload?
Click on any contact. For example, I go to Shah Rukh Khan. Shah Rukh Khan gave me the poster of his new banner. So here I click Shah Rukh Khan. In the related, towards the bottom, you see notes and attachment. And you see upload files. I click on upload files. What is that? Shah Rukh Khan, right, has designed a new banner. This red, okay, let's take this. This is the picture he gave me. I say open. This is how we upload. Done. System has uploaded the file. Perfect. Right? Do the attachment upload. Now the question, right? one file format that you cannot upload. Come to me with one file format which you cannot upload. Can I upload JPG? Yes. Can I upload PPT? Yes. Can I upload PDF? Yes. Can I upload MP3? Yes. Can I upload exe? Yes. Can I upload HTML? Yes. You have to tell me one file format that cannot be uploaded in Salesforce. Do Google, ask real-time people, ask your friend who is learning course from other batch, other institute. Go and ask them, get the information. From where you get the information is not important to me. Search, ask your batchmates, your classmates, your other friends who are already in Salesforce. 2.3. What is the maximum file size? Can I upload 1 GB? Can I upload 1 MB? Yes. Can I upload 5 MB? Yes. Can I upload 20? Yes. 100? Yes. 1000? Yes. Maximum file size. You have to come to me and tell me that, hey Rupam, let it be any file. Or if it's a movie, then you can upload only up to 300 MB. If it's a presentation, then up to 40 MB, up to 65 MB, up to 25 MB, up to 2 GB. You have to come with a limit to me. Third homework. First one, contacts and accounts. Third homework. One account can have multiple contacts. See that? I go to the account, I open Government of India, I'm able to see multiple contacts. Smriti Irani, Narendra Modi, Rajnath Singh. One account has 3 contacts. Similarly, find out, can one contact can have multiple accounts? Similarly, find out, can one contact have multiple accounts? The way one account has multiple contacts, account Government of India, multiple contacts. Contacts are Modi, Rajnath Singh, Smriti Irani, Amit Shah. It can. Now vice versa. Amit Shah, Government of India, ICICI Bank. Amit Shah has an account in ICICI Bank. Amit Shah, some XY. Amit Shah is living in a society. So that society name, he is a member of that society. So can Amit Shah have a multiple account? That is what the question I've asked you.
Sir.
Right? Research, do. I am not asking you the answer right now. You will be sending your answers to me at rupam.sfdc1111@gmail.com. Everybody will be sending the homework in a proper format. Your subject line should say OF115_01 July, 1st July, HW, 1st July, HW, hyphen, whatever you want to give a title. If you want to give a title, give your title, give your name. Ramesh here, Vidya here, Vijay here, right? Yamuna here, Zahid here. Subject line has to be this. If you put any other subject line, I will not check your email. You are not only one batch I'm teaching. In every batch, I have 100, 100, 100. In a day, in a week, I have total 6 batches running. I have 600 students. If you don't put correct format, you will not get a response from me anytime in your life. Later, don't come and say that if you have a doubt. So just say 115, 1 July, right? Not homework, doubt. I will understand that from which batch you belong to. What is the topic that's going on? Just don't say error, not coming. Subject line has to be very precise. If you don't follow the subject line format, I am not going to reply your email. Is everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
I'm giving
Sir,
my
in the
email
email,
address.
is it 111 or 11, sir?
It's 111 111.
Okay, sir.
111. Right? How to send it? Take a screenshot, put it in a PPT, send the PPT to me. Or take a screenshot, keep on attaching in the email. Both the ways is fine. Right? 10 accounts, 10 contacts. Create 10 accounts, 10 contacts, and take a screenshot like this. Right? If you have OneNote or any snipping tool, take a screenshot and send it to me. Or on the keyboard, there's a print screen button, PRTSCR. Clear, everyone. I'm giving my email address. This is my email address. Don't ask me again, sir, I don't have your email address. Can you give me? Sir, email address istara. Sir, email address, please. Now only I'm giving it. I know that tomorrow again somebody will ask. Please copy it and save it in a notepad. I've already pinged there. Do not ask the email address again, sir. Ekkada pampiyal sir homework. Where should I send this homework, sir? Right? This is my email address. rupam.sfdc111@gmail.com. Guys, everybody is able to understand the Salesforce class? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes,
in the
sir.
subject line
Yes,
OF
sir.
115 July doubt space,
Yes.
we have to write our name.
Anything. If you want to write, otherwise don't write. Minimum is
Okay.
this.
Okay.
Everybody is able to understand? Yes or no?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, Rupam.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు డౌట్ వద్దు. ఇప్పుడు దాకా డౌట్ అడిగాను, ఎవరు అడగట్లేదు. అమన్ అడిగినప్పుడు అడగాలి. అగైన్ డౌట్ టుమారో, రేపు. ఇలా డౌట్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తుంటే ఈ క్లాస్ వెళ్తే ఉంటది 9 o'clock దాకా.
No, sir. Does this comes under SAS or PAS, sir?
Tomorrow.
Okay.
Right?
Thank you.
Thank you. Tomorrow morning you ask this question and I'll answer.
Thank you very much, sir.
Right? The way I'm promising you the time that I'll be on time, similarly the next batch is also expecting that I'll be on time. Right? So sometimes
Yes, sir.
I
We
might
promise.
ask you that, right? Sometimes I might tell you that doubts tomorrow. Don't feel bad. I'm not saying I'll not answer your doubt, but ask tomorrow, I'll answer again. So thank you guys. Let's meet tomorrow again. Be here on time. Have a nice and wonderful day. Bye bye guys. Take care.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice